Welcome to the cooler report. I'm going to introduce our new products on my right hand. This round one, the bakery display cases, and you can put either countertop or on the floor. So let me give the overall sizes first. The diameter of the cylinder about like 19 inches long. And the height of the unit is about like 41 inches tall. As we can see, the units all around is glass, and you can open like this way. They come in with a double layer glass for all the units, and having the adjustable shelvings. Also, the shelving are glass. It's a circle one, so let me give it a diameter too. For the shelving plates, it's about like 15 inches on the diameters. And for the space of the overall height, it's about like 25.5 inches tall. Also, the units have the LED light strips on the both sides, and the shelvings, the holders, you can adjust both the heights. And when we're looking at the behinds of the units at the bottoms, they come in with a 110 standard plugs, and they also having the ETL, UL sanitation stickers, coming with a manufacturer diagram on the units too, and the compression mount at the bottom. Also, the controller they mount at the front, we can see they're having the temperature adjusters and the function settings, and also have the light switches right here. Have a small digital displays to show you the temperature at the front. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.